When it breaks, blows, or generally misbehaves, don't add another thing to your to-do list. Add it to Fix It Faster and have it fixed straight away. Fix It Faster is a convenient new app that helps you locate service people in your area, instantly connecting you with nearby electricians, plumbers, gardeners, bookkeepers, dog walkers, cleaners, and more. All available to help you right away. By using advanced geolocating technology, we can connect you to trades and service people who just happen to be close to your home and ready to go. Imagine being able to find a plumber from the moment you notice a leak. Just download our app, see who's around, and make a booking. All in a few clicks. Fix It Faster is a quick, easy, and affordable way to get your big and small jobs done faster. And because they're already in your area and available, they can respond immediately, reducing their travel time, so everyone wins. Whatever job you need done, you can do it faster with Fix It Faster and get it fixed today. Fix It Faster is the app that's making maintaining your home or business premises easy. Download it now.